Hello everyone, I'm Stefanus Redvin, and I'm from Open Veteran Jakarta. Now I'm going to tell you guys about review material transfer agreement between Green Afforestation International Network (SDNBHD) and PT Agro Pratama Sejahtera or APS and PT Konsorsium Mitra Kerja or KMK. So on the first page, there are recitals. Number one, according to the agreement to be entered between company and recipient or cooperator, it is anticipated that company will provide test materials to recipient or cooperator in order to carry out the purpose and company is willing to do. So profit that recipient or cooperator agrees to use test materials pursuant to the terms of this agreement. Point number two, a company owns the Refotropics Polonia as defined below and owns certain valuable property rights thereon, in which company specialists in Polonia plantation and seedling supply, which holds the property technology in the making of Refotropics Polonia Revo TP1 clone, or Protection of New Plant Varieties Act 2004 PVBT 045/18, and know-how in the Polonia farming techniques as well as its planting standard operating procedure or SOP. Point number three, receiving or cooperator represents that it has the facilities, personnel, and expertise necessary to grow test materials and evaluate the growth tests, and is willing to expend its own research to fulfill the purpose of this agreement. Okay, now in the next slide we have definitions. Point A, Refotropics Polonia means Refotropics Polonia Revo TP1 clone, a tissue culture, seedling, or plantlet from company's tissue culture laboratory. Point B, test materials means Refotropics Polonia plants of the Refotropics Polonia clone and any kind of material of the Refotropics Polonia. And point C, confidential information means the test materials and all information and data, technical and non-technical, has been transferred to or disclosed to the recipient or cooperator or has been generated under agreement. Okay, in the next slide, we have general rights and obligations. Point A, Refotropics Polonia are provided to recipient or cooperator and shall be used solely in order to accomplish the purpose. Which means no samples of the test materials are to be given or made available to any other person, firm, and entity, but are to remain under recipient or cooperator's immediate and direct control. Point B, this agreement doesn't restrict companies' right to distribute the Refotropics Polonia to other commercial or non-commercial entities. Point C, company agrees to provide Refotropics Polonia to recipient or cooperator, and recipient or cooperator shall grow Refotropics Polonia on land profit by recipient cooperator. Point D, recipient or cooperator shall not propagate Refotropics Polonia without written consent and approval from company. Okay, in the next slide is ownership of materials. Point A, the test materials Rhizotrophis polonia shall remain the sole and absolute property of company. Point B, the test materials Rhizotrophis polonia shall not be sold by the recipient or cooperator to any other person or persons for any purpose whatsoever without the express written consent of company. Point C, any and all requests for test materials that are received by the recipient or cooperator shall be referred to company. Point D, recipient or cooperator acknowledge that the test materials represent and contain valuable intellectual property, and many more ownership of materials. Okay, in the next slide, there are reports, records, and publication. Point A, recipient or cooperator shall keep accurate and complete records relating to the purpose and the test materials. Point B, recipient or cooperator shall provide written reports to company on an annual basis or upon request, detailing all research related to the test materials. Point C, prior to submission for publication, company shall provide a copy of any manuscript that describes the evaluation of the test materials to recipient or cooperator and shall acknowledge the recipient or cooperator's contribution to the work reported. Okay, next slide is confidentiality. Point A, recipient or cooperator shall not disclose confidential information to any third party without the express written consent of company. Point B, recipient or cooperator shall ask the same degree of care to protect confidential information received or generated. Point C, the confidential information shall be excluded from confidentiality if recipient or cooperator can demonstrate that it had possession of the confidential information prior to disclosure. Okay, the next slide is representations and warranties. Point A, company give no warranties of guarantees. Point B, recipient or cooperator shall assume sole responsibility for any claims. Point C, the parties acknowledge and agree to comply with all applicable laws and regulations. Okay, in the next slide, we have term and termination. Point A, this agreement shall continue to have effect as long as the collaboration on Rhizotrophis polonia plantation project between the parties is still a subsist. Point B, only company has the right to terminate this agreement. And the last point C, at no charge to company, recipient or cooperator shall return the test materials. Okay, the next slide is failure to comply. Point A, in the event that recipient or cooperator fails to comply with the restrictions set forth in this agreement, recipient or cooperator agrees to pay compensation to company within 60 days from the date upon demand by company. Okay, I think that's it for the explanation of material transfer agreement. Thank you so much for watching, Miss, and I hope this video can be useful for all of us. Goodbye.